The nostalgia feel for a pool party, the clothes, the vibe is dope, but we want some fresh new food and new takes on things. So forget about the hot girl summer or the hot boy summer. This is the hot pig summer because we are making the Banh Mi Burger and we're using ground pork to start with. We're gonna get a bunch of things. This is one of Alex's recipes actually because he loves fish sauce. He uses his cologne, like all sorts of stuff, shampoo, so that's how he rolls. So we're gonna take 1 pound of ground pork and we're gonna add in some sugar, some good old white sugar, granulated sugar, cornstarch, right? Now cornstarch becomes a binding agent because with a lot of the liquid in here, we've got to make sure that it sticks together and holds up on the grill. Then we've got, as I mentioned, fish sauce, a little bit of fresh ground black pepper and some coarse sea salt, some sriracha, and this is not going to get too hot, even though you're going to feel like it might, but it won't. Got some good healthy dose of sriracha in there, bring some heat and bring out all that fatty juiciness. We've got a couple of chopped up, finely diced green onions, AKA scallions when they're feeling fancy. Speaking of getting frisky and fancy, we've also got more minced garlic we're gonna throw in here, and a whole bunch of fresh cilantro chopped up. Now, this burger needs to be juicy and it's gotta basically retain the shape and the flavor. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix this thing up and then we're gonna make it into 3 1/3 pound patties so we can get them juicy and delicious. Got our meat mixed. Take a tray so we can go out to the grill. Now when you're making a patty, right, you wanna basically break it into thirds. You wanna make it a little bit wider than the bun itself. So what we like to do is give it, smack it up, flip it, rub it down a little bit, and around the sides, because you know what, you wanna give it a little smack sometimes, but also be gentle. It's called aftercare. And we like that. So there is one. Time to get grilling, baby, because we grillin' and chillin'. We've got our grill to medium heat, and we just sprayed it with some grill spray. We're gonna take one of these beautiful burgers, put on the sprayed part. While that's cooking, let me get at you, y'all. Go to our website and buy some merch, because we're trying to keep the lights on. And while you're at it, like and subscribe too, baby. Spatchcock Nation versus the world. So the burger's going 5 minutes each side. For us, that gets us a good medium rare. Now, you're not gonna get trichinosis. That's a tricky story that's been out for a long time. You can have pork medium rare, we like it juicy that way. While this is going on, and it's a pool party, the sun's out, guns out, buns out. We're hoping some buns out the party later too, but we're gonna toast our brioche roll, which is part of that French connection, the pâté, the brioche. This burger been out there 10 minutes. Now we're gonna let it rest for 5 minutes. Let it continue cooking, because it always cooks after it's on the grill a little bit. Then, we're gonna plate this baby. We like taking the top off, so we've got our pâté here and that layer of butter to keep the oxygen out and keep that pâté fresh. We're gonna break through that a little bit, peel it back, and we're gonna take a healthy layer of this beautiful French pâté all across the bottom of our bun. Now you can buy pâté in the store, no shame in that, but we made ours ourselves about 4 hours ago. Our beautiful burger, right smack in the middle of this guy. We made pickled veggies. Carrots, matchstick cut cucumbers, some sugar, some water, some white distilled vinegar, and this creates a crunch and a really nice tanginess to our dish, and we like to pile this stuff on. Now on the top of our bun, we made a honey sriracha mayo, which is just mayonnaise, sriracha, honey, some grated garlic, and some chopped green onions. And we're gonna go heavy with that too. Now, if you like us and you want some extra heat, we put 3 jalapeno slices right into our stuff, right like that, and press them in. Now usually we like to take tops off, especially at pool parties, consensually of course, but right now we're putting a top on. The Banh Mi Burger. Now, there's a lot of things I'm gonna sink my teeth into, and this is one of them. Banh Mi Burger, baby. Yo, Matt from Spatchcock Funk here. Appreciate you checking us out, y'all. Welcome to Spatchcock Nation. We about bringing people together, y'all. Concerts, parties. It doesn't matter as long as you're the people with us. Our friends, our crew, and now you. Spatchcock Funk. Dope food, strong drinks, great stories.